Friends, let's continue. Again, that same inside capture the flag. There is one more question within sorters. It asks for the location address, the files here. It asks which computer they are connecting from. It asks about the mechanism of the computer to determine which computer they were created on. There's such a thing. On this facet, it's messed up. I had downloaded this. As I said, friends, I had downloaded everything completely. Then I opened that zip like this. There's such a folder. There are various files there. When we examine the various types of files, we encounter JPEG files as well as various application files. There are several PDF documents available for your use, and so on. There are JPEGs, and I understand this, guys. Throughout the course, I am actively teaching myself the necessary skills. I'm talking from the Windows Artifact course. From these shortcuts, guys, from the shortcuts of a file, users can quickly perform various actions easily. What specific part of a file are we able to find? We are able to identify the MAC address associated with the location where that file was created. Therefore, guys, for this situation, we also have our resources available. What's it called? There was a run from Eric Zimmerman. I'll open that now, like this. There was a module from its electricity in CM. When I press the Shift key in combination with the right arrow key from my current position, a new terminal window conveniently opens up over there. Moreover, if we execute the lcmd command from that newly opened terminal, when I press X, it directly gives me LP. It tells me how it parses. This is the LHCMD tool, guys. I had explained this in detail in a deep course. What am I doing? I'm coming from here. That thing's... When you connect it here, for instance, using an exe or a TLF file, the file that I am presenting serves as an argument in this connection process. That short file, that sufficient file here, my friends, because it is stored inside a shortcut within your computer's file system. My friends, consider how much resolution it possesses. From here, I will later declare, run from this place. Instead, I say farset, the current has arrived. It brought the BNK file itself and its original, along with the date information related to its target, DNK itself, the target itself. The total size of the file is measured accurately in bytes. After that, the location where the file was created determined the file's creation location. More precisely, the volume has a unique serial number. Then take a look at the file's actual path as well as its name. It clearly showed its intended path here. After that point, it immediately and efficiently responds to the requests here. It retrieved their homes from the file system. Then, if this is the extra block, friends, we obtained the machine's address, we retrieved its name, and with those machines. Therefore, as I previously mentioned, my dear friends are also present here today. The creation section was later partially moved, resulting in positive changes. When you open this file, you'll notice that it is not located in its original place, because the original place refers to where this file was initially stored. It has been executed from here, with all necessary steps taken to ensure the process was completed correctly. This part is the same, friends. This thing is indeed coming. Remember the date. This kind of data is incoming, including system-related data owner information. In the course, I explained this part in detail and provided a broad overview, friends. Let's take a look. What did this person do with the answer? Look here. Yes, there we successfully located the Becker address designated as D05D. Additionally, we confirmed that it matched our records exactly. Here is the address repeated multiple times for clarity, 050505050505. What has he done? He seems to have used a magnet parallel again. I'm using the exit tool from there. Sorry, he passed this in the exit tool. Later he showed once more that it's the principle of electricity. Yes, dear friends, in that particular section it operates in exactly this manner. Here you can thoroughly review the analysis conducted diligently by our team. A LNK file represents exactly a Windows shortcut. Therefore, the reason I chose to focus only on the LNK file instead of examining the other files available is because, as I know, friends, inside this LNK, inside the Linecan, friends, the headers include MAC addresses, computer addresses, and several machine addresses that are essential for identifying each connected device accurately. There is a MAC address and extensive info from friends, or rather information,